The Datadog building is located right in the heart of downtown Denver and right along the strip of the 16th Street Mall.
What makes Denver a great city for tech is the constant growth. There's so much growth within all of the aspects and sectors of tech, and the city is really welcoming to all of the initiatives.
Once I actually got to come into the office for the first time, my initial reaction was really just stunned by the 360-degree views of Denver. It was really great to see the beauty of the city within the office and then all of the open spaces, the conference rooms with all of the fine artwork, and overall it's a really alive and vibrant environment.
If I'm not working at my desk, you can find me sitting basically at any window in the office. From any view, you can see the front range of the Rocky Mountains, and there's really nothing like it.
We have really gorgeous open conference rooms that allow you to connect really easily. So if you need to collaborate with someone outside of the Denver office, you're able to connect and talk with someone.
Datadog is a platform that helps companies keep an eye on their IT infrastructure, applications, and services in real time. It offers various features for monitoring performance, security, and user behavior in real time across cloud platforms, on-premises environments as well.
I myself would describe the culture at the Denver office as diverse and enthusiastic. There's always energy in the building here, and there's people from every walk of life, and everyone works together, and it's a really, really, really great environment to get to be a part of.
Working with people from diverse backgrounds improves the work culture, in my opinion. The more diverse minds that we have within Datadog, the better that we can market the product.
Being able to work with a diverse group of people here at Datadog, it impacts my ability to learn, my ability to grow within my career, and I think just really offers a strong dynamic for both us here in the office and also our customers and the people that we're working with externally.
Being a working mom, I have seen firsthand how Datadog not only provides a community that can support me, but also they have so many wonderful perks that can support me as well.
I think what's unique about Denver is the accessibility. We have so many exciting activities. We're 30 minutes away from the mountains, whether it's skiing, hiking, just taking in the views. And even if you want to just stay in the city, there are a ton of different activities you can do.
It's really significant that we have this office here in Denver. With the way that tech is growing and is only going to continue to grow in the future, having these hubs throughout the country in different regions and throughout the world only provides us the better opportunity to help our customers more and to meet their needs.
Datadog is a great place for tech, and Denver is a great place for Datadog.